Let's check the conditions now. The winds have been whipping around all day long. A wind advisory is about to expire around 45 minutes or so at 6 o'clock.
Yeah, they've been pretty fierce out there. That doesn't mean, though, that the wind won't continue to be a problem even at that hour. Meteorologist Matt Peterson is live with the Mobile Weather Watcher on the Ben Franklin Parkway, and he can attest to just how windy it is out there. Hey, Matt.
Natasha and Yuki, hey, good afternoon. You can tell it's windy. My hair is flying around. We have the leaves, a couple of them that are still out here on the trees. They're flying around as well. And I got to say, there's a huge difference between just 4 o'clock and now a little bit past the 5 o'clock hour. It has gotten much, much colder. Temperatures have dropped down now into the 30s. We were sitting kind of in that low 40 range for a while, but the wind still continues to be a factor for us, and it will remain a factor all the way through the overnight hours tonight. So while our wind advisor is set to expire in just about 45 minutes or so, like Yuki was talking about, our temperatures are going to continue to drop. Eventually, we'll be getting down into the 20s through basically the entire area tonight. We could even see some teens or even a little bit lower than that in some areas up towards the Poconos. But with our wind gusts still going to be peaking in that 20 to even close to 30-mile-an-hour range through the overnight hours, our wind chills are really going to be very problematic for us as we head then into Friday morning. So you're going to want to be bundling up. Wind chill values for us to start Friday morning probably going to be in the teens or even the single digits in a couple of spots. So again, the biggest thing for us here tonight and tomorrow morning is just to remember wind's still a factor and bundling up very cold wind chills. Right now, live with the Mobile Weather Watcher, I'm meteorologist Matt Peterson on the Ben Franklin Parkway. But let's send it back into Kate. She's got a full look at your forecast coming up.
Thanks so much, Matt. I'm trying to see you guys here on the Ben Franklin Parkway. We've got the shot behind us here. I think they're parked in a different location, but you can see how the flags are flying out there. And as Matt said, the winds are still strong. Now the temperature is dropping, so it's going to start feeling even worse. Those wind chills dropping into the 20s rapidly as we go through the next hour or so as the sun begins to go down. So a very blustery afternoon. Let's take a look at current conditions. It's 39 degrees, but it doesn't feel anything like 39 degrees. It feels like 27 degrees right now in Philadelphia. Winds are sustained at 29 miles per hour with gusts as high as 37 miles per hour right now. We've had some gusts over 40 miles an hour in the city today. In some spots, winds have gusted over 50 miles an hour today. And so here's what it looks like across the region. Feels like 27 in the city, but right now feels like 21 in Allentown. Already feels like temperatures in the single digits in the Poconos and getting worse tonight. Reading feels like 18. Wilmington feeling like 25. Our peak wind gusts across the region just from our reporting stations today, all in the 40s. Trenton gusted to 51 miles an hour. Mount Pocono 47 miles per hour. And again, a few spots embedded within this pink you see here had wind gusts in the 53, 54 mile per hour range. So as Matt mentioned, our wind advisory is still in effect just for the next 45 minutes or so. And then I do expect it will expire at 6 o'clock. But that doesn't mean the winds are going to shut off. The winds will be with us through tonight and into tomorrow. And also these winds bringing with them some snow showers and snow squalls. Now, most of these are dying over the mountains of central Pennsylvania, but there is a chance that a rogue snow shower could make it into one or two spots across the area. You can see them moving toward Harrisburg now. We'll be keeping an eye on the radar to see if any kind of snow squall could make it into perhaps the Lehigh Valley later tonight. Again, I think they're few and far between. I wouldn't worry about it too much if you're going to be out on the roads, but don't be surprised if you're especially north and west and you see some flakes flying. What to expect for tonight then? It's cold, it's blustery, wind chills in the teens in the city, single digits in the north and west suburbs. Winds gust to 35 miles an hour overnight. Tomorrow's high is 42. Winds still gusting to 30. Not as windy as today, but still a very cold day. We'll barely get to the low 40s, but it's a full day of sunshine, a dry day, even as that Arctic air begins to settle in across the region. A major mercury drop, but then we're going to see a rebound as we get into Sunday and Monday. Future wind gusts 38 miles an hour, even at 11 o'clock. Tomorrow morning, 30 mile per hour winds, and that will be with us through the day. As we get into your Saturday, the winds do start to die down a bit, still brisk and chilly, but not quite as windy, at least as today has been. But Saturday's the coldest day, a high of only 38. We've got everything from the 30s to the 40s, 50s, and 60s in this 7-day forecast. By Tuesday, we're back to 61 degrees. But of course, rain showers come along with the warmth. It seems like it's a trade-off. It's either warm and wet or cold but dry.
30s, 40s, 50s. Can you throw a 70s in there?
I know, could you?
I mean, we're getting close.
I know we are. How about it? Thank you, Kate. Still